Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is August 9th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 8.25 points to 2464 and 3/4 per contract. All in all, the futures were a little bit lower. They were down over 10 points, but they have started to bounce back up. So we'll see how today plays out. All in all, the markets yesterday sold off a little bit in a late day sell-off in a North Korea conflict scare out by the White House. But we'll see how today plays out. Right now, futures are a bit lower ahead of the opening bell. Looking at stocks in the news, that's where we're going to focus to try to make some money. We're going to start the day off with a big one here, Disney. Disney right now trading at 101.26. Stock closed at 106.98. Good sell-off there. Right off the bat, we're going to have gap levels for this one posted up in the intraday stock chat room. So if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We're having a great 2017. We are going to have Disney earnings, Disney gap levels posted up this morning right at 9 a.m. Now with Disney, they did make comments. They're going to pull their content from Netflix. So Netflix is also in play this morning. Stock is getting a little bit of a sell-off, closed at 178.36, now trading at 171.69. So Netflix under a little bit of pressure. Again, nothing major here, but we see some nice gaps that could be in play today, right around this level here, around 162 or so. So keep that on the radar, and we'll look at Netflix once the opening bell. But right now, I am eyeing that gap on Netflix this morning. We'll see if it does come into play. And again, right around 162.25. That should be a decent level there for Netflix today. Also, keep on the radar. Move down to around 156. And then ultimately 155. All Netflix levels this morning. Let's take a look at Priceline. PCLN is the ticker symbol there. Stock is getting hammered this morning. So it closed yesterday at $20.49. That's $2,049. Take a look at it this morning. Trading all the way at $1,917 a share. Priceline getting whacked. I am going to have a mathematical level ready for Priceline this morning. So again, it's going to be a little bit of a higher risk play. But if my math is correct, should bear us some fruit. So Priceline will be in play this morning. Let's take a look at TRIP, which is TripAdvisor. Stock is getting hit a bit today. Closed at $39.55. Now trading at $37. Briefly got below $36. This will be in play today. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Zillow Group. ZG is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $43.50. Closed at $47.75. This is a pretty good haircut. I'll be watching the $42 level, maybe $42.25. Also $37.75 would be a good level for Zillow Group. Remember, this is a light volume name, and what I mean by that is it rarely trades a million shares. On average, 300,000 to 400,000 a day. Let's take a look here at MNST, which is Monster. Monster this morning trading at 51.03, closed at 52.63. So we're not going to make much out of that. Let's take a look at Hertz Global. HTZ is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 14.90, closed at 14.28. Briefly sold off yesterday, came back. Right now it's hanging in there with a positive gain. So again, nothing really to do this morning as far as Hertz is concerned, but it will be on our radar, and we'll keep looking at it and see if it does make a move. Let's take a look at a retailer here, FOSL, which is Fossil. Fossil getting hammered this morning. Stock closed at $11.84, trading at $9.08. That is a major haircut. I don't see any support here till around the 850, 860 level. So be careful with this name. Let's take a look at Mylan Labs. MYL is the ticker symbol here. Mylan closed at $31.79. This is now trading at $29.97. Briefly got to all the way down to $28.50. I think I might have a gap level for Mylan. Yes, I am going to have gap levels for Mylan. So again, we'll look at that at 9 a.m. this morning. Let's take a look at one more here. GoDaddy, GDDY is the ticker symbol. Stock right now is trading at 43.50. No real conviction in here. Closed at 42.45. So we're going to leave GoDaddy alone. There's not much to do there, but we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings this morning. So again, we have lots and lots of stocks out here. Let's take a look at Nuance, NUAN. Nuance Communications trading at $15.76. Looks like I'm going to have some gap levels for this one. I'll post those up in the intraday stock chat room as well. A lot of support here around the $15.65 level so far, but if it breaks through there, I'm going to have another gap level ready for us in Nuance. So again, lots of stocks moving, lots of movers and shakers. We'll see how this market plays out today. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading up 18 points today. Gold right now trading at $1,280 an ounce. This is the fear trade. So GLD on the move, trading at 121.16. I think we're into a lot of resistance up here around the 121.40 level. So again, be a little bit on the cautious side. Gold making a big move, but this is all on the back of the North Korean conflict news. And if we get any kind of take back or any kind of talking back the conflict, I think gold could pull back as well. So just be aware of that. But right now, gold is on the move. Crude oil today trading higher by 40 cents. So crude catching a nice little bid at $49.57 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see this is trading at $10.15. It closed at 10.06. So reflecting a nice uptick in crude oil. Gold is up. And again, we'll see how this market plays out. We have lots of comments coming out, lots of geopolitical events, lots of stocks in the news here with earnings. So it should make for a wild morning. We get volatility. We usually get lots of trade action. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. So get ready for the second half. It's going to be a big one. With that being said, everybody, have a great day. We will see you on the charts.